In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta AI on WhatsApp. In order to do that, first make sure that your WhatsApp is open. And as you can see, you can already see in there the search bar wherein you can ask Meta AI or search. And you can also see in here the Meta AI logo. So you can open Meta AI by clicking on the search bar or clicking on its logo. So for this case, let's choose the logo and click on it, and you can actually chat with Meta AI in order to ask them for anything. So for example, let's head over and click on this and make sure to create the Meta AI. You can ask this for anything and then send in here any prompt that you wish. So for example, on this case, let's have them create us a poem about roses. Click on send. Then after that, it should be able to give us what we actually inputted into our prompt. So let's also have or ask them another one. So you can basically just turn it into a GPT that is actually helpful for your actual WhatsApp. So let's send out another prompt. And once it's done, it will reply you with this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.